Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to properly sign out and remove Microsoft Teams accounts. To properly sign out and remove accounts in Microsoft Teams, start by opening the app and clicking your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Sign Out to log out of your current session. This will remove your access from that device session and may clear some offline data like cache, chats, or drafts, but it does not always remove the account fully from the device. If you want to completely remove the account, you'll need to go into your device's settings and navigate to your System Account section, then find a Microsoft account linked to Teams and remove it from there to stop it from appearing in quick account switching. On Windows, you can also fully reset stored Teams data by pressing Windows plus R, typing this, and locating the Microsoft folder, finding the Teams directory, and deleting its contents to clear cache login information. After restarting Teams, the account should no longer appear, giving you clean sign out and removal from the device. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.